Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating a very detailed closure wig install. Okay, this is beginner friendly and you must stay tuned to watch to the end. Thank you. Right now I am smoothing my edges using an edge control and a brush. Okay, this is a regular brush, toothbrush, y'all. So hey, you don't have to stress yourself going to buy one edge brush, but you can get a toothbrush and use it. That's what I'm doing. You know how it is. Anyways, first, this is what we do. Important thing to do. Secondly, this I'm showing you what we use and the hair. Okay, that spray and the hair. That's what we're gonna use. Now I just put on the wig. This is the 4x4 lace closure. Okay, this wig is actually 2+ years old. Okay, this is from my beginning to 2020 and it still looks beautiful. Okay, this is a water wave. Okay, now I am spraying this lace melting spray. Okay, this is not a glue, this is glueless. Okay, you can take it off at the end of the day just by spraying water. Again, the wig is a side part, so I make sure that I section it where I want it and then spray then add the spray where I want it to. Now I'm just applying the wig where I spread the spray exactly where I added the spray. Okay, and I'm gonna spray another one on the lace. Okay, watch out and see those laces will disappear. Just watch out. Okay, you see how it was before. You can reverse this, rewind this and watch it, but you see how it was before, see how it is after I spray that on it. Okay, this is a very needed important spray you need. Okay, this is glueless. Hey, it's no damage to your edges, lightweight, no very detailed. Okay, this is very important, okay, to your wig install if you need extra security. Right now I am just laying those little baby hairs down. You know how it is, just adding little baby hairs, not too much, and just doing it using my edge control as well. Okay, so again, I'm not a queen when it comes to baby hairs, but I try sometimes, y'all. Okay, all right. And after this, we're gonna tie it down using our edge melting band. Okay, to hold it down for a few seconds or even until you get yourself ready, like your makeup and every other thing. Now what I'm doing is, of course, this is a very important part as well. I am using a hot comb just to comb out those hairs underneath the band and make sure that I'm getting it prepared and ready at the end of the day. When I'm ready to get the band out, it will be ready to go. Okay, again, it helps to lay your wig to be flat. Okay, it makes the wig to be flat and in the order you want it to be. Okay, make sure that everything is ready for you to go. Okay, so you need that too. Hot comb, it's very important. It makes things smooth, flat and soft. Okay, and of course the flyaways. Okay, it gets rid of those flyaways, so sis, do get that. Next thing, we are going to blend the part that we have. So I'm using one of my concealers, so you need that as well. Okay, and a thin brush, just like you see me do it. Just follow the lines and apply it a little bit. Okay, you don't want it too much. Apply it to the lines. Again, the aim here is to achieve a flawless look and a very seamless install. Okay, natural look. Okay, and the melt. Okay, so now I'm just using lash brush, okay, to blend it so that I can get rid of any extra or excess what you call it again, Oh man, I lost my words, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, just by watching. Okay, so now I took that off. Y'all see how it is? Okay, I just blend the front using my brush. Okay, I didn't add anything, just the brush I used that money to do my makeup. Okay, I just use it to blend those lace, and voila, it is done. Okay, this is just less job for you, and this is a closure too. Okay, very low maintenance. Beginners can do this. You can do this. Are you thinking of starting to wear wig? This is a very beginner friendly. Okay, and I'm just trying to cover those tab right there where you know the lace starts. Cover it up so it doesn't show at the end of the day. That's what you see me do there, so you want to make sure you do that as well. Okay, make sure you cover it up as much as you can. Okay, and I've just added a little water just on that tip, you know, just a little water, not much. The same thing on this end too, you know, same thing, just a little water. Again, water is your friend. Get all these things and you'll be done, you know. Again, this wig was pretty customized and ready before the install. Okay, but again, this is a quick one. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you. This is the look we have. Okay, beautiful, very beginner friendly. Again, thank you, and continue to stay tuned for our next video. We love you. Bye. Please do us a favor and like, subscribe, and turn on your notification.